Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your speaker JBL Flip 7 available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what JBL offer for the speakers, and if we open it, firstly trying to find your speaker, and if it cannot, it shows to us right here a line that can find product, so we need to tap on it, and right here we can see supported devices. Our model is Flip 7, so firstly we need to find Flip series, and right here we have it. Tap on it, and right here we can see our speaker, so my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!